The secret to getting glass hair is all in the technique of finishing the hair and not necessarily in the products. However, your products can cause you to end up more greasy than glassy with the wrong choices, so I will link everything I used in the description box below. And I'm going to do a little demo to show you why I use this technique. I'm using my Parlux 385 light hair dryer. Always point down with your blow dryer. Always have a concentrator on the end of your blow dryer. But do you see the brush I'm using? This is a major part of the technique. And don't worry, you're not missing anything. I'm just blow drying this other side so that I can do the demo comparison for you guys. Back to the brush. It's not necessarily that you need to use this exact same brush as me. It's more of the idea of the brush. This is a ceramic perforated brush with nylon bristles. For this first step and this first brush, I'm looking for a tool that has space in between the bristles, enough for the hair to slide through easily. I will switch to a second brush with more densely packed bristles for the second step, like this paddle brush, which now you'll see both sides in comparison so you can see what I'm talking about here. I've dried both sides with my perforated round brush, but now I'm drying just this left side with my paddle brush. And watch and see the silky difference between the left side and the right side. See how the left side is silky and the right side is still raw and unfinished? Yuck. Those frazzles are not glassy or sexy, so we will smooth them out so they match the other side and it shines like this. So for this technique, your goal is to dry each section with your perforated brush that has some space between the bristles and it gets the hair semi-dry and sort of straight, but then switch to your more densely packed natural or boar bristle brush to get an even smoother, glassier finish on your second pass through each section. It's this two-step technique of first passing the hair through looser bristles and then through firmer, denser bristles that gives you that super shine polish on the hair. So now just continue this two-step double brush smoothing technique throughout the head until all the hair is dried and smooth, and then we're going to finish up with this final last step to achieve glass hair. And for this last step, you'll need a hard rubber comb and a heat protectant spray as well as a flat iron. I like to first spray my heat protectant onto my brush and distribute it through my hair evenly instead of spraying it directly onto the hair, which can leave kind of wet, shiny spots. And then I go in with my hard rubber comb and I guide the hair through the flat iron, taking each section one at a time and slowly passing through the iron to smooth and seal the cuticle of the hair. Once I pass through each section, I let it off the comb and I don't go over that section again. So you'll see me grabbing hair that I didn't pick up and I go around the head, passing over each section once and then one final time to grab all the ends and marry them together. Look how shiny. We're just going to complete the flat ironing on the other side now. It's important to remember that the final look should be fluid-like, so you don't really want to use products that have hold in it. Again, I'll link everything I used in the description box below, tools and products, but if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section so I can answer and explain better. Oh yeah! Look at that shine! I mean, look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. Would you look at it? I'm obsessed. Obsessed. Yes. I hope that you found my double brush glass hair technique helpful. For more styling tips like these, hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, you might find the next video helpful also. Thanks so much for watching!